Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Welcome to my home garage gym. Something that I've really needed for this space is great gym flooring so that I can have nice cushioning underneath me while I do my workouts. And I am super excited about this one that I found.
This gym flooring by BeMaxx is super convenient to put together. It is puzzle pieces. I have it here in the black color and it comes with 18 pieces that interlock. It is so incredibly simple to put together, and I really appreciate how nice and thick the rubber tiles are, and you can see they have a great density as well. So this was absolutely perfect for my garage gym because I have that concrete flooring and I needed something that was going to be cushioning but also give me nice stability so that I would be able to use them regardless of the workout. So easy to put together, and each piece comes with an edging and then also a corner. So you're really able to design this however you want. I kind of imitated like a yoga mat design so that I could in fact also use my yoga mat with this, so it kind of imitates that shape. But really, you can get so creative with these and you can make this as big or as small, whatever shape you need to, depending on how many tiles you get. But with this set of 18, it was perfect for my little garage gym space. This is great if I am using it with my dumbbells or my kettlebells, or even if I'm just using this for a higher impact workout or something like mobility. All of my workouts, this is able to support me, giving me nice cushioning, but also that stable surface so that I don't lose balance. I think this was absolutely the perfect addition to my gym.
So if you are looking for great quality gym flooring that's going to be super easy to put together and rearrange as you need it, I highly recommend checking out this one. I am super happy with it, but that's just my point of view.